Econolite. Moving traffic forward.
The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to download a database from Centracs to a controller. Right-click on the intersection and select Launch Signal Editor. The Database Editor window will open. Suppose you wish to change the timing plan on the controller. You can edit the database in Centracs and download the new database to the controller. To download a database to a controller, click on the Download to Controller icon. If the database in the editor has not been stored in Centracs, you will be prompted to store the database first or proceed without storing. The Download window allows you to specify all, part, or only parts that differ between Centracs database and the controller. Check the Select, Deselect All box to save time making your selections. The Comments section must have content before you can download. It is recommended to describe the changes you have made in this field. Click the Download button to send the edited database to the controller. This concludes our demonstration of how to download a database from Centracs to a controller.